Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Just look at this beautiful pocket. Simple, very easy to do it. Just look, it has a small pocket at the top as well. Well done. It's easy to do it. Very simple steps. But my way, very simple. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. And click on notification bell so you ain't gonna miss any of my video. I post video every Sundays, so try to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Let's get it on. It is what it is. So this one gonna go the inside one. So I have 11 inches by 7 inches, and I have 8 inches by 7 inches. So here's how it goes. It is what it is. So you fold like this, then you fold on top again, then you press, you give it a nice iron. Well, measurement and I'm using, we use the same thing measurement, nobody sure. So we're gonna take the other fabric, which is gonna be on top. So this is how it's going to be. You put it on like this, you fold it, you iron it. Just fold it once, not twice, just once like that. Then you fold it back like this again, then you iron it. I hope you've seen it. Then you put on it like this, you check. No, it seems like my space is kind of big to other side, so I'm just come to flip it, come top a little bit. I don't want it to be big. If you want it to be big, it's up to you, but I don't want mine to be very big. It is what it is. So check it out. So this is how it's going to be. Perfect done. It's easy, easier in the corner. So I'm gonna trim off all the excess out. Me to trap the baller. No, I'm cutting the baller. When you say baller, the refuse, you know, the wura. The excess. It is what it is. So check it out what I'm gonna do here. So I'm gonna open like this, then I will sew right there, then I sew like this. Watch it again. I'm gonna do it again. I'm opening like this, I'm gonna sew. When I sew, I reach that point, then I'll form the V over there. So I'm gonna do it and come back. The camera didn't record when I was sewing and doing all this kind of stuff. I was having a problem, but you can see the thread under it, how it's look. I formed the V and how it's look, you know. So I need to, so I'm trimming all the excess out. If you know how to form a pocket, you just have to form it. You can decide to cut off all the black there a little bit, or you just have to leave it and fold both of them together like the way I've done it. And then you put on your pocket on your top. This style you can do it on any top. You can put this pocket on. It's amazing, very simple to do. Just try your hands on it. It is what it is. Mora FC Adenaye Porto. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on notification bell so you ain't gonna miss any of my tutorials. I post video every Sunday. It is what it is, you know. It is what it is, my guy. It is what it is. Subscribe. It is what it is. So I'm just sewing. After that, I just make a double stitch over there, then I stop. I'm gonna change the thread. I'm gonna use black because that part is black, you know. Hey ladies and gents, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. It is what it is. It's Mora FC, John Agent for real. In yearly. So we done. Making top pockets is easy. The most important to know the style. If I put it on the top, it's kind of easy. Just put it on it and just you sew on top. No, I didn't really acquire this. Very simple. This was very simple to do. So we are done. Thank you for watching. It is what it is. So check it out. See, we done. Beautiful small pocket out there. Don't forget to subscribe. Me out. Peace, love, blessing.